Here's Dasha. Was it hot outside? Huh? Was it hot outside, Dasha? And there's Jack. Hi, Jack. Hi, Dasha. You good girl. You good girl. Yeah. Go on. I can't see you when you get so close. I can't see you. I can't see you. Dasha. Hi, Jack. Jack, sit. 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 Good boy. Dasha, sit. Good girl. Wait. Wait. Good girl. Come. Good girl. Sit. Dasha. Sit. Sit. Wait. 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 Wait, Dasha. Wait. 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 Okay, come. You're such a good girl. Jack, come here. Come here. Oh, thanks, Dasha. Slobber up my camera. So Jack, he's 12 pounds. When he has fur, he looks a lot bigger, though. And Dasha, we have no idea how much she weighs. She hasn't been to the vet recently, but she's a good girl. Dasha, come here. Oh, Dasha, come here. Noah. Did Dasha knock you over?